20 awesome cleaning hacks everyone should master. On the average, the American household spends more than $40 monthly on cleaning supplies excluding the maid and the apron. Here are ways you can do some cleaning daily. Number 1. Put water and lemon inside the microwave. Pour boiling water over the lemons. Place them in a bowl and cook them in the microwave for a few minutes to loosen microwave particles. Number 2. Use a powder drill to scrub. Avoid scrubbing using elbow grease. Keep clean to a new level by putting a revolver brush to your drill. You can clean with minimal effort. Number 3. Dust ceiling fans with pillowcase. Over the blade of the fan, slide the pillowcase and pull it backwards. It will make all the dust fall into the pillowcase's bottom. Number 4. Put a trash can near the door at the front. Do not let anything you don't want to keep inside the house. Packaging, junk mail, and flyers are things that should go to the garbage immediately. Number 5. Place makeup remover cloths inside the bathroom. During nighttime, clean the face with the side of the material for removing makeup. Use the other hand to clean the faucet, counter, and sink. Number 6. For mirrors, use Pledge Lemon. Use lemon pledge on the mirrors of the bathroom to make them shine and smell great. It can help you see yourself clearly in the mirror. Number 7. Baseboards with old dryer sheets. Wipe down the baseboards using old dryer sheets. They will stay dust-free for a longer time because they are anti-static. Number 8. Grout and dish soap. Use toothpaste or dish soap to brighten up the grout lines in between tiles. Just drizzle on a wet cloth or sponge and scrub. Number 9. Stroke the window. Clean one side of the window with horizontal strokes when washing them. Clean the other end vertically so you will know which side. Number 10. Leather furniture with shoe polish. Make use of a shoe polish with high quality wax to remove scuffs and scratches from the couches made of leather. Number 11. Rag and knife. On a rag, spray one cleaner and then wrap it around the knife. It will help you wipe out the grime and dust from the ventilator. Number 12. The bag of lingerie. There are things that are great about lingerie bags. You can put toys that can get gross and grimy and throw it in wash cycle to make them clean. Number 13. Tufts of stainless steel. Turn a cleaning bottle in different directions to clean places that are hard to reach. Replace with flexible tubing and attach knots of stainless steel. Number 14. Protect the mattress with puppy pads. Line the child's bed with puppy training pads under the regular sheets. It can make nighttime accidents easy to clean and protect the mattress. Number 15. Keep the toilet brush dry. Place the toilet brush under the seat of the bathroom and use the lid after cleaning it. Finish cleaning with the bath brush dripping back into the bathroom. Number 16. Clean toys with a dishwasher. Wash bigger plastic toys using the dishwasher. Place the toys in the top rack and wash frequently. Put small toys inside a lingerie bag. Number 17. Clean and iron with salt. Remove the iron's sticky residue using salt and iron. Turn the iron to the hottest setting without the steam and run it over the salt and paper. Number 18. Dryer sheets with aluminum foil. Use balls of aluminum foil if you are not a fan of dryer sheets to eliminate the smell of residue and static cling. Roll the foil and throw it in the dryer. Number 19. Use an old sock to clean blinds. Mix vinegar and warm water in equal parts inside a bowl. Use an old hose dipped into the solution to wipe off dust and grime on the blinds. And number 20. Use rubbing alcohol to microfiber to remove stains. Avoid the transfer of dyes to the couch by using a white bristle brush and a white sponge. Spray the stain well with rubbing alcohol in the spray bottle. You don't need that much time and money to keep the apartment or home sparkly clean. These are the efficient, straightforward, and inexpensive step of cleaning. Share your thoughts and comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.